Hello guys, this is me Sharon, and today I am showing you how to make this very cute mini handbag that you can make as souvenirs. You can put in your small stuff like jewelries, or you can even turn this one into a essential oil gift bag. You can adjust the size of it. You can chain as many as you can to make it longer, and if you're not going to close off this sides, you can turn this one into a hammock, especially if you have a lot of Barbie dolls out there that needs a hammock. Alright, so without further ado, let's start. For this project, you can use any color of yarn that you like. With this project, I have used a worsted weight yarn or medium weight yarn will do. And you can also use a 3.5mm crochet hook if you would like to make a bigger handbag like this. You can use any hook that is higher than 3.5. But just to show you the size of this mini bag that I made, it's about 3.5 inches, and I'm using a D-ring that is about more than an inch. If you want to make it bigger, you can use a bigger O-rings. And if you're ready, let's start. So to start, we're gonna work a slip knot, and we're gonna need to work a single crochet into the first O-ring, and then you're gonna chain up to the length that you want for the mini bag. So I'm gonna chain probably 50 or maybe less. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I did about 25 chains, and you can add more if you want. So this is going to be the length of the mini bag. If you think it's shorter, then you can add more chains, but I think this is long enough as a mini bag. So I'm gonna stop right here and then work a single crochet on the second O-ring. There you go. Now after this, make sure it's not twisted, and then after this we're going to make sure they're not twisted, and then we're going to chain one, and then work a single crochet across. It has to be into every chain until you get to the other end. Okay, so one last chain, and then after that we're going to work a single crochet into the second O-ring. We're going to chain one, and then we're gonna make a turn, and then into the back loop only. That is where we're going to work one single crochet into each stitch across. That's what we're gonna do back and forth until we get to the length of the mini purse that we're making. Now I'm on my last 2 stitches here. It's just very easy to do, and work 1 single crochet into the ring, into the second ring. So make sure you go back and forth, but you're not twisting here, so that it will create like a ridge, and you can fold it like this. And then I'm gonna show you next what it's gonna look like after working a few more rows of this. So this is what's gonna look like after working a few rows back and forth, and I did about 17 rows. Now after this, if you think the size is enough for the bag, then you can now close off the sides of this mini purse, and I think it looks cute as a hammock as well. So you can put your Barbie in there, and then you have created a hammock for the Barbie. Alright, so now the next step is we're going to close off the sides of this bag. And to close it off, you can just work a few slip stitches, because we're gonna do it from this point here to the bottom. So maybe I'm just going to work a few slip stitches down. So I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you should have 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 5th one, we can now close off by probably catching the back loop of this side here and the front loop of the other. So I'm going to close off by working single crochet onto those loops to close off. Until we get to the last one. There you go. And then chain 1 and fasten off. Now you can do the same on the other side, and also weave in this end. I'm gonna make a slip knot and then start on the 5th chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the other side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna start working the back loop and front loop of the other side, and then you can weave in the tail as you go. just leave it until the end. Don't forget to weave in the ends after that. Alright, so I weaved in the ends already, and this is actually the inside of this bag. So we're going to turn or flip it, and then that's it. Your mini bag is already done. Now, to make it look more attractive, you can add some beads. Here I added some beads, or you can crochet some flower and leaves to add on this mini bag, which is also good. And this is really great if you're gonna make lots and make them as small gift bags, like if you're going to give some small stuffs to your friend, like for example, you can put in some small stuffs like jewelry or anything like candies. Also, you can put inside some candies, and you can even customize the size so that you can fit some essential oils inside. If you're a big fan of essential oils like me, I'm sure you can think of many ideas on how to add more beads to this simple design that you can make in just a few minutes. And as long as you have the O-rings there, it's a good way to save all your yarn scraps. Like it's really nice, and I really enjoyed making this. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, do not forget to hit like, comment if you have other suggestions, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys. Bye.